so we have a Hobbii or Hobbii yarn haul, yay. All right, so it took about 2.5 weeks to get here. Now this is coming from Denmark, so that's quite all right. Thank you, Hobbii. I love you guys. It's one of my favorite companies. All right. Let's see what is in here. Oh, oops. Trying not to let it slide on the floor. Oh my. All right. Ooh. It's a bag within a bag. All right. Bag within a bag. Make an unboxing video and win. Take a picture or record a video of yourself opening your package from Hobbii. Share it on Facebook or Instagram with the hashtag Hobbii Unboxing. Be creative and think outside the box. That's what we look for when choosing the lucky winner. Every month we draw a new winner of 10 skeins of Rainbow Cotton 8/4. The winner will be contacted directly on the platform where the content is shared. Woohoo! Awesome! Well, that's not hard making a video. Hi, Hobbii! Since I have a YouTube channel. All right. Let's see. I like that it was a bag inside a bag. Okay, I know. Just get to it. All right. Is this what I ordered? Oh, gee. You gotta be kidding me. Did I order all this? Okay. Oh. Okay, let's just do this. Oh my. Oh. Okay. Okay, but 100% premium acrylic. Butterfly. All right. Ooh. Oh, it's so soft. Okay. Let's see. Let's read about this. 100% acrylic, 200 grams, which is 7 ounces, 500 meters, which is 547 yards. Recommended needle is 4 to 4.5. Recommended hook is 4 to 4.5. It's a lightweight 3, designed in Denmark, made with love in Turkey. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, lightweight 3. Oh, colorway. Color is number 7. Oh, look. Oh, look. Oh my god. And this is so incredibly soft, you guys. Look at this. Oh, look. Oh my goodness. Look at all these colors inside. Oh, I really don't remember what I saw on the website when I ordered it, but whatever I saw, I knew it was going to be good. And oh, and it is. I mean, in person, look. Oh, this is so gorgeous. And like I said, it's a lightweight 3. And yes, it is. Yes, it is. Oh my goodness. Butterfly, 100% premium acrylic, and they have a butterfly. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is so soft and squishy. Okay, I know. Get on with it. Okay. Oh my. All right, so 2. No, not 2. Not just 2. Oh, I feel like this is gonna fall on the ground, on the floor. 3. These are all the same. Oh. Another one. 4. Oh, what am I gonna make? What am I gonna crochet? I have 4. Oh, okay. What else do I have in this bag? Wow. Oh my gosh, those are so gorgeous. Oh, okay, that's the only butterfly. But look. Which one am I going to look at? Which one am I going to show you? Okay. These are Carnival. 100% premium acrylic. Carnival. Okay, lightweight 3 again. 100 grams, 3.5 ounces, 240 meters, 262 yards. Needle is 4 to 4.5 millimeter, and same with the hook. Yeah, Turkey, Denmark, same stuff. Oh my gosh. Oh. All right, colorway. Colorway is number 19. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at the colors in there. Oh my gosh, look at the colors. Oh, there's dark colors in there, like a black and a gray and kind of a creamy, and pinks, purples. Ooh. Hey, sorry guys, I got interrupted. All right, so these are the colors in this one. So pretty. There's blacks on the outside. Oh, gorgeous. And this was the other one. Gee. All right, so I have a third one. Oh my gosh. Okay, so here, oh, first of all, candy. Thank you, Hobbii. Oh, this one is also a Carnival, so the same stats. Color 18. Ooh, doesn't that just make your liver quiver? Oh, look. Oh my gosh, look at the purples. Oh, the purples and the, oh, sorry. These are like, dark blues, purples, and then there's like, oh, look. Ooh, kind of like a teal, I guess. Oh my gosh, these are so beautiful. So beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh yes, that makes my liver quiver. Oh. Thank you, Hobbii, so much. Oh my goodness, you guys. And I got 4 of these, and I got 4 of these. Yes, I did. Oh, so happy. I am so happy. These are just absolutely gorgeous. I think they were all on sale, I think. But oh, thank you so much, Hobbii. Thank you so much. I love them. All right, guys. So that's it for my video. All right, everyone. Take care, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more yarny goodness, and like this video if you like it. And have a wonderful rest of your day. I'll see you next time. Bye. Oops. Almost missed something. They gave me a large eye needle blunt tip as a free gift. Yay! Thank you, Hobbii. All right, that's it for this video now. nothing else in the bag. Let me just double check here. Nothing else. All right, thank you. Bye.